Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. In this video, I will tell you about the incoming call problem in your device Oneplus Nord N200. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move to the topic. If in your device Oneplus Nord N200 you are having an issue regarding the incoming call, like they are not showing on the display or not coming, you can solve all these problems by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the incoming call problem in your device. Let's watch it.